The option chain is the main source of option quotes in TD Active Trader, and it's the most common widget used to start an option trade. The option chain is a default widget in the trading workspace, but it can also be added to any other workspace. Enter a symbol for an underlying security in the box at the top of the widget. A quote for that security will show on the line below. You can customize the information in the quote by clicking the hamburger menu at the top right corner, then selecting Underlying Metrics. By default, the option chain displays quotes for both calls and puts of the underlying security, organized by expiration date. You can expand or collapse a series by clicking the expiration date, or by using the Expand All and Collapse All buttons above the chain and to the right. Keep in mind that your system performance may suffer if too many streaming quotes are on display. Options that are in the money are shaded in blue. Use the drop-down menus to view quotes for specific strategies. Then, adjust the number of strike prices shown for each expiration date, and adjust the width of the strike prices or time between expirations for the strategy you selected. Click the Filters link in the top right of the chain to narrow the amount of information displayed. For example, you can choose to see only puts. To remove a filter, select Reset to Defaults in the Options filter menu. You can also add, delete, or rearrange the columns. To do this, open the hamburger menu in the top right of the widget and select Options Chain Columns. Add or remove columns by dragging and dropping a column title to the appropriate side. Or select a column heading and use the Add to Table and Remove from Table buttons. You can change the order of the columns by dragging and dropping the column headings in the current column section. Select Apply to save your changes. And if you want to start from scratch, select Restore to Defaults.